What's going on, everyone? I almost did not want to make a video today just due to the fact that we do have numbers that are coming out tomorrow, so it's going to kind of skew the levels for day traders tomorrow, just depending on whether we go up or we go down. But let's just do a quick video anyways. My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. We're taking a look at the S&P 500, ticker symbol SPY. A lot of people use this index to kind of gauge the overall markets. Today was, a pretty choppy day. We've seen a little bit of green, a little bit of red. We did finish with a price of $357.74, pretty much flat on the day. At the close, just down $2.28. Currently in the after hours session, we are pushing higher, just about $1.50, $1.75. What I kind of want to point out here, so we can kind of be aware of, if we go back to this day's channel here on the 30th of September, we did breach this low here. So if you look at this low here, price was sitting right around 356.76. We did come all the way down to lows of 355.71. This is our line in the sand. I could see a bounce here. A lot of people are starting to get a lot more bearish. Anytime that starts to happen, the general sentiment goes from super bullish to bearish, or super bearish to bullish. Generally, it can trap a lot of traders. If you also kind of notice here, we do have a lower Bollinger Band sitting at around 350, but we have this linear regression channel. Now, if you look at where we closed on this channel, we did breach the channel level. However, bulls bought it back up and we closed just right at this channel line. So any type of green open, flat open, what we would be looking for is some kind of consolidation, kind of let the first 30 minutes of the day pass, and then take that second hour candle and see if we can confirm that price action to the long side. And if we do, might give you a good opportunity for a bounce. Now, if we do get some sort of bounce, I can see us start to eat back up into today's wick, high price being around 363. Just notice that we do have this declining 5-day moving average that is sitting right around 365.97, along with the 10-day moving average. So any type of dead cat bounce going into tomorrow, the following day after that, that is where I would look to take profits. I would definitely set a hard stop loss at today's low, 355.71. Now, if we do open up green and we do gap up significantly, and there's a significant run up off the numbers pre-market into the first hour of the market, what I would then start to look for here is not so much chase that opening range move, but let's see if we can get that 1, 2, 3 hours worth of confirmation, and then look for the confirmation to go to the long side. Just keep in mind that you're going to have a heavy supply zone here at that 366, like I mentioned. But if we do gap up significantly, or the numbers do push us very to the top side over where we're currently standing now in the after hours of around 359, what I would then look for is some type of rejection. And if the market does decide to pull the plug, our hard line in the sand, 355.71, this is your short entry. 355.71, you're going to enter your put options here, or short here at 355.71, with intentions of trying to take profits into this lower Bollinger Band that's sitting at around 350 to 351. So big gap up, big gap up. What you're looking for is for the price to gap higher, consolidate for at least 1 hour, and then push higher off that opening range. Then we're going to play that into 366. Now, flat open, what we want to see happen here is consolidation and then start to flush. If we do gap higher and then do not get over this 5 and 10-day moving average and start to roll over, don't just enter your short positions here, because we could just be consolidating right at the 5 and 10-day moving average for a push higher Thursday or Friday over this level. And over that level of 366 has room to the 20-day moving average of 373. So that would be the next long play. But if we do get rejected and never confirm this area, or never confirm the top wick of today's channel, and we start to tread sideways and towards the later half of the day start to roll over and lose steam, what I would be looking for is the easy short position below 355.71. I hope this kind of helps. I'm not going to do too many breakdowns on too many stocks, just due to the fact that all charts are going to kind of look the same. Stocks definitely still look good to the downside, but we do need to see a little bit of a bounce and a little bit of consolidation before we just start chasing those stocks. By the way, again, my name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. If you guys are interested in joining the Discord, joining the community, trading with me and the rest of the guys and gals, make sure you guys check out all of the links down in my description box below.